Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at and reviewing this Ferrex Pro brushless impact driver from Aldi supermarket here in the UK. Okay, so here is the impact driver. I bought this recently from Aldi supermarket here in the UK and it retails currently for £39.99. This is the Ferrex Pro series, which means that it has a brushless motor, and it says here cordless impact driver brushless, and that means that it should be slightly more energy efficient and slightly more powerful than the equivalent brushed motor. It is a 20 volt system, so this one relies on the 20 volt active energy battery, but you can also use the larger battery, which is what I have here. This is the 5 amp hour, the 20 to 40 volt, and it works with that too. So here you can see on the side of the box it works with the active energy batteries, which you can also get from Aldi supermarket, and you can use your 20 volt battery or your 20/40 volt battery, which is the larger capacity battery, and it uses the quick charger that you also get from Aldi supermarket. So looking at the back of the box, there's a few pointers here about the tool. It says that it's for tightening and loosening screw connections. It has variable speed control from 0 to 2400 RPM. The impact rate is 0-3300 BPM. High torque drive, max 180 Newton meters. It's got the quick release chuck, 6.35 millimeters. Variable speed control, quick stop, spindle stop, left right hand rotation, LED working light with afterglow and a belt clip, and it also has a 3-year warranty, which I think is pretty good. So the case has 2 metal catches, just pop those off. Pretty simple what you get in here. There's the instruction manual and the warranty. There's the instructions. Then you have the impact driver itself and a belt clip, and then there are 3 drill bits in here as well. No battery or charger, they are sold separately, and I've got myself one of the bigger batteries. I'll show you that now. Got myself a 5 amp hour 40 volt battery. You can use the 2 amp hour 20 volt battery on this also. Here's the box of one of those batteries, the active energy battery. I'll be using this one, a high capacity battery. So now let's take a look at the impact driver. Right, so I'm going to start off by adding the belt clip. The bolt is already here in the impact driver. Right, so there is the belt clip on. Nice secure belt clip. Great if you're up a ladder, you can sort of hook it onto your belt. Now I'm going to add a battery in. As I say, I've got one of these bigger batteries here. So there it is with one of the big batteries in. And first impressions, I think it looks good. Nice looking impact driver. Nice and professional looking. Feels good in the hand. Has a rubberized grip. Let's see how many sort of gears it has. Yeah, it's got a few, 5 or 6 maybe, different speeds there. You've got the quick release chuck that you pull out. I'll just add one of the bits provided here. Just pull that out, put the bit in, let it go. Now that's in, that's ready to use. On the side it says that the max Newton meters of torque is 180, that's quite powerful. and it has the forward and reverse button, lock in the middle, and reverse. So the brushless motor means that there's no sparks in here from any brushes, so there's no resistance, and that means that it should be more energy efficient with the battery and a bit more powerful than the equivalent brushed motor too. It also has an LED light, work light on here, as you can see. So now I'm going to weigh the impact driver. I'm going to leave the belt clip on, but there's no battery in here. So it weighs 1009 grams, so it's pretty much 1 kilo on its own. So if we weigh it with the battery, this is the large battery, that's the 5 amp hour battery. We'll just see what it weighs total with the belt clip and the battery. 1.687 kilos, so 1687 grams. So that is about it for this review video. My first impressions on this impact driver are very good. I like the grey and black colour, and the work light is pretty good, nice and luminous. It's got some good features on it, like the quick release chuck, that seems to work nicely. It seems reasonably powerful, and you can put these big batteries in it, the 5 amp hour batteries that you can get fairly cheaply from Aldi supermarket here in the UK, along with the chargers. So if you're already on the active energy system with other Ferrex tools, then you're good to go if you just buy the bare unit and use your existing batteries and chargers. So yeah, I'm pleased with this impact driver. Seems fairly good, and I'm sure it will be lasting a long time. It does have a 3-year warranty anyway, so I'm not worried about the durability of this product. So if you did like the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.